I just want to make a quick video about these TuxMats I bought. They're aftermarket mats for my Honda CRV. Got these last year because I just wanted something that could protect my mats, the ground floor, so that in the future cleaning becomes easier. And these are some really nice mats. As you can see, they extend all the way upwards on the sides, because a lot of aftermarket mats that you can find at your local auto parts store. Here we have Canadian Tire. They only cover the bottom, and then the carpet on the sides is left vulnerable. So these go up all the way up, even the dead pedals covered. So that's really nice. I didn't really make an initial review about them because I just thought it was kind of pointless, mainly because, you know, I want to see how they fare after we've used them. They've been through one Canadian winter, and you can see there's filth everywhere. There's dried up salt, dirt, grime, whatever. But I mean, they seem to be holding up well. I mean, it's still really dirty. I'm going to clean these up, give them a nice wash, and see how they turn out. But I think they did a pretty good job at protecting the floor. But I'm going to take these out and see if there's like any sort of debris or anything that went underneath, slipped through the cracks or anything like that. So here's the floor after the mats were taken out, and wow, I gotta say I'm really impressed. There's a little bit of salt and a little bit of dirt here and there, especially around these locks over here, but that's all right. I mean, that's expected because there's a little bit of a gap there. But other than that, like after going through a harsh Canadian winter, you know, with people stepping on it with slush and salt and mud and all kinds of dirt, the floor is completely fine. Looks pretty much brand new. So yeah, these did a really great job. All you have to do is just gonna do a quick vacuum, and it really makes your life so much easier. So if you're looking for a good investment for your vehicle to you know, help you make your cleaning job easier, highly recommend picking up these aftermarket TuxMats. I'll leave a link in the video description if you're interested. So that way, you know, you can get your vehicle protected. They make custom mats for all sorts of vehicles. They even have a website, so I'll have a link to it, so that way you guys can check it out. Alright, so here are the mats out of the car. I hosted down, and these things are built really well. They're very durable. The dirt came off very easily. I did use a degreaser to kind of help loosen up the degree. And just took a little bit of a soft bristle brush and worked around some of the areas that had the dirt and stuff bonded to it. But other than that, like, it came out pretty much new. Now I'm just going to use this blower that I have. I use it to clean my PC and stuff, but it's really powerful, and I'm just going to use it to dry up the mats. And then I'm just going to apply some stoner trim shine to this, and it's going to come out brand new. Alright, and here it is. After it's all cleaned up, it looks almost good as new. And it didn't really take much effort to clean these off. Most of the dirt got hosed off right away. I just decided to use a degreaser as an extra measure, but no, these came out fine. And you know, just applied some stoner trim shine to it, and they came out perfect. So yeah, definitely recommend them if you need them for your car.